Thick towels, comfortable sheets, slippers by the bed. They're the comforts of home today's hotel guests have come to expect. And in-room technology is no exception, especially when it comes to mobility and 24/7 connectivity. That's where VTech cordless hotel phones come in. Our Roomy Palette lets you mix and match to fit your property's needs. Start by giving your guests a completely cordless experience and peace of mind, knowing that their phones will work even when the power goes out. Our cordless phone with battery backup keeps them completely connected. Plus, it's easy for hotel staff to maintain with easy access to the battery. Looking for a phone that tucks in discreetly next to the bed? Our Accessory handset has a small footprint, so there's lots of room for other things on the nightstand. Then there's our Accessory Petite phone. It's not only a space saver, it comes with a USB port for all the road warriors who need to charge their smartphones or other devices. And if you want to give your guests the comfort of a corded phone without sacrificing hands-free mobility, our corded cordless combo is a great choice. Whatever it is, VTech cordless phones answer the call. They're stylish, reliable, and ENERGY STAR qualified. Features like handset speakerphones, convenient volume controls, and backlit keypads make your guests feel even more at home. While antibacterial plastic keeps them and hotel staff safe from germs. Plus, with a completely cordless solution, you can cut down on PBX license and cable drop costs per room. Offer your guests all the comforts of home. With VTech cordless phones, you can.